7 Notable Things About IRS IP PIN. 1. PIN protects your social security number. 2. The Get an IP PIN tool of the IRS allots an IP PIN and shows it immediately to you. 3. You can apply for IP PIN only if you have an SSN or ITIN. 4. If you voluntarily opted for the IP PIN program, you don't need to file a Form 14039, Identity Theft Affidavit. 5. The IP PIN is valid for 1 year only. You need to get a new PIN every January. 6. IP PIN must be entered correctly on electronic and paper tax returns to avoid rejections and delays. 7. Your spouse or dependent children can also apply for an IP PIN, if they can prove their identity.